Asuntokehtiö Rauhanpuisto.
Yeah, this is also really nice today. On the 16th of July 2025 we have Kirkkokatu one staircase B, and I think I filmed all the other staircases here. One is an MP4 and the rest are modernized Kone pictures, I think. This one is also modernized Kone, capacity is 4 persons and 1
Yeah.
Also Lahti, Finland. This is the one that I probably forgot to put, or I don't remember it.
Yeah.
There are no windows here. It was built in 1956, modernized in 1994. This here was a 6562. Yeah, 10 floors here. But it should have been completely original before.
Yeah. Is dit like your ice that method by Kone?
I like the sounds and smell here.
Same.
Another set. Thanks for watching.
That's